Welcome to Cooking with Jessie, where every recipe is 5 minutes or less. Except I can't really tell time, so who can ever really be sure? What am I cooking? Chicken, fried rice, vegetables. Heavy on the vegetables. Not really any rice. Ingredients are chicken, peas, riced cauliflower, liquid amino acids, garlic, and 1 or 2 eggs. We'll see how I feel. So the chicken is cooking immediately. I want it to be all getting chopped and cooked at the same time because I can't risk wasting any time. So I'm just chopping it all up as fast as possible. Got to get it spread out and as thin as possible. Once all the chicken is chopped up, I put a lid on as fast as possible to make sure that it is getting all of the heat and I get charred. And then I have to wash my hand because I have chicken all over it. As soon as the chicken is cooking and sizzling away, I'm gonna flip over every single piece. Looks like it's not cooking as fast, so we'll chop it up more. I end up washing my hands a lot while I cook. So when I'm feeling super lazy, I'll just get pre-cooked, pre-chopped chicken. I definitely notice a difference, and I really like the boneless, skinless chicken thighs the best. So it's a compromise. And since I'm occupied the entire time chopping things, I don't mind extra, I don't know, 1 minute, 5 minutes. There we go. Now we can add all the vegetables. Once the chicken looks like it's 2/3 to 3/4 cooked, I add all the vegetables. More vegetables. Ha ha ha. Gonna be so healthy. More vegetables. There we go. Then we put the lid back on. Oh, no, don't forget. We have liquid aminos. 1, 2, however much that was. Lots of garlic, because garlic's super healthy. However much that was. And then I wait for the egg until everything looks almost done. Okay, now that that's cooking, we have cleanup. We have to make sure that I'm entertained and occupied the entire time. Garlic goes away. This is trash. Oh, but I need somewhere to put this. No, you can't rest this there because this is raw chicken and that is cooked chicken. So this should be cleaned and this will be cleaned and this is trash and this is trash and this is trash. Okay, trash, trash, wash. Okay, and I have to hurry and wash this before that's done. It feels so silly to wash something and then use it again, but raw chicken. And wash my hands. Which thing has the most raw chicken on it? Ugh. Cooking's complicated. Clean. Towel. Okay, now I can monkey bar and stir. Oh, while we're waiting, we'll make broccoli. I ran out of monkey bars. Oh well. Okay, broccoli. Let's use this one. Extra virgin olive oil. Okay, ready, set. Olive oil. Air fryer. In. Mode. Start. As usual, I don't actually know how long it takes. I'll just check on it. When I'm done, now I can check on that one. Spatula. Where's the spatula? Okay. Okay. All right, some of the peas are still frozen and some of the chicken's still pink. So I'll put the lid back on. Okay, we're ready for the egg now. All right, everything looks kind of mostly cooked. Some of the chicken is questionable. So while it's finishing up, I'm gonna make a hole in the middle. I need to get one of those plates for spatulas. It's more liquid than I wanted. Well, 1 egg is enough. Well, the egg, I'll clean up. Time to clean up. Tea. Okay. La 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 la. This needs more vegetables. I don't think this has enough vegetables. Okay, so the good news is, even though this took more than 5 minutes, this is gonna last me for at least 2, maybe 3 meals. So realistically, that is probably 5 minutes or less per meal. I could probably start eating it now. Broccoli. I think I should throw broccoli. Hey, check the broccoli. Ugh, I can't do it. Okay. Look! I think I just want it like this. That looks really good. I'm gonna spray it a little bit more and then put salt. It's not even flipping over. There we go. Okay. I hate washing dishes. I'm gonna use a Tupperware to eat my dinner. I'm gonna take exactly how much I want right now, and then once I finish eating it, then I can put the leftovers in the bowl for next time. I aim for the sections that have the most vegetables for this meal because I didn't put enough vegetables. So next time I reheat this, I might add, dang it, more vegetables to the mix. All right, that seems like enough for dinner. All right. That's a real big bite. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go work in my office. Okay. Oh, this is going well. All right, happy cooking.